Well, hello everyone again. The K-frame has returned from the sandblaster. I picked it up today and brought it back and immediately gave it a couple of coats of Holden GMH Black. There's a couple more tiny little spots of rust that have come out. There is those 3 holes, 1, 2, and 3. There. There's one tiny little hole down the bottom here. Let's see. Oh no, 2. Is it? Yeah, 2 holes. One there, one there. One little tiny pinprick hole just there. I don't even know. And obviously where the water bottle was, over here, where the water bottle was, there you can see that there's some holes. But that's the worst part. That's the very, very worst part. And I'd actually thought it was better than that. I didn't think it was like that. It's not really that bad. So I'll just cut that whole section out in one piece, and I'll butt weld into that. But gee, I tell you what, it looks so nice and smooth and clean. And I've got a few other parts, obviously my sway bar, and the top panel, and there's a couple of other little bits. Those little panels go on the front, hold the grill and hold this top panel in place. But overall, I'm very, very happy with that. And I'll get to fixing those few bits of rust. Maybe by tomorrow or the next day, that'll all be done. And there you are. There's the HT there. That will go back on that. All right. Update to come.